Have you ever had a conversation with a friend about a specific pair of shoes, or maybe a vacation spot, only to open your phone minutes later and see an ad for that exact thing? You didn't search for it, you didn't type it, you just spoke. Or worse, you just thought about it. Welcome to the era of the predictive mind. Today we're diving into the deepest layer of the tech abyss. We aren't just talking about data collection anymore, we're talking about the end of private thoughts. Is the algorithm actually listening? Or has it become so smart that it knows your next move before you do? The illusion of listening. Tech giants constantly deny that they use your microphone to trigger ads. And technically, they might be telling the truth, because they don't need to listen. They have something much more powerful, your digital twin. Every scroll, every second you linger on a photo, every location you visit, and even the speed at which you type, all of this creates a mathematical mirror of your subconscious. The algorithm isn't a spy, it's a psychic. It knows your patterns so well that it can predict a craving, a purchase, or a mood shift before it even enters your conscious mind. The feedback loop. This is where it gets dark. We are trapped in a feedback loop. The algorithm doesn't just reflect our interests, it shapes them. By feeding you specific content, it nudges your behavior in a certain direction. If you see enough content about a certain lifestyle, you begin to desire it. Is it your thought, or was it planted there by a line of code? This is the inception of the digital age. We've traded our free will for convenience, and the price is the sanctity of our inner monologue. The silent takeover. Think about the dead internet theory we discussed before. If the majority of the web is bots and the rest is humans being controlled by algorithms, then what is left of the real world? We are becoming nodes in a giant neural network. Our thoughts are being harvested as data points to train the next generation of AI. Privacy used to mean locking your door. Then it meant encrypting your messages. Now, privacy means keeping a thought to yourself. But even that is becoming impossible in a world of predictive analytics. The algorithm knows you better than your mother does. It knows you better than you know yourself. We are standing at the edge of the tech abyss, where the boundary between human consciousness and machine logic disappears. Subscribe to Tech Abyss for more deep dives into the digital unknown. And tell me in the comments, what was the last thing you thought about that mysteriously appeared on your screen? Let's see how many of us are being watched.